Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Right, we've done analysis, weekly analysis over the weekend, and this is a midweek analysis. See how the market moved since then. Right, so let's check what's happening. So this is a daily chart, and I did say that the market is stuck between this daily level here, this level here, and this level here. So, and I did say that whichever side market breaks up, market will go to that side. No, it was a monthly close as well. And on daily, market broke to the upside. And going on to monthly, you can see here that it's quite bullish, the candle is. Although we were expecting another doji type candle, but it didn't happen. And now the market is currently is in bullish direction. So heading to the 4 hours, see the market did bounce back from this daily level. It gave a nice structure here and bounced back to the upside again after a retracement. And now this level was already broken. Structure was already broken in 4 hours, and in 1 hour as well, it's broken. As you can see, 1 hour broken here last 1 hour candle. And we had a very good trade here because here month 4 hour, this was a 4 hour retracement level. The market went to the upside. How that work? Let's see. The 1 hour level broken, but here was a 4 hour level, and 4 hour level is a BOS break of structure in 1 hour. However, in 4 hour, we have a very good level in 4 hour, and market we had a very good trade here, guys. And let's see, just go back to 4 hour to explore it further. See, this was a structure level in 4 hour, and in 1 hour we have a resistance support level, and the market broke the 1 hour structure here. However, when it went to the 4 hour, but that's a bigger the time frame, more better the trades, more pips you get, and that's the 4 hour chart. Okay, now what we can expect. Let's go to weekly. Weekly is quite bullish, and we got 2 days left. Two trading days left, and monthly is already bullish. Where the currently market stand is a weekly level as well. As you can see here, 2450 is a weekly level as well. And also we got fair value gap here. We definitely can expect a retracement here in weekly before the market move to the upside. But we'll wait for the week and how the market closes. And now we've got daily. This level here. It's a weekly level. This line is represent weekly resistance, and there's definitely room to move to the upside. However, If the market decides to come to the downside, we have this level. Sorry, guys. So we have this fair value gap as well here. So with evidence, we can take a sell trade. This is 4 hour. Market is currently at this level. If you go to 1 hour, this is the situation in 1 hour. But anyway, let's see how the market plays on tomorrow. Tomorrow we have some important news as well, guys. 1st of August, and we've got GBP news, and the rate is coming. But we're interested mainly in gold. We trade in gold. We've got unemployment claims and we also got final manufacturing PMI. So this is what we have on 1st of August. Let me check what news are coming on Friday. Just for the we got CPI. We got non-farm employment on Friday. So some people were saying it's on Thursday, but it's on Friday, not okay, right. So we can see the huge movement on that day on Fridays, end of the week as well. So that's it for now, and I hope this is helpful. If you need more help in trading, please do contact me. Thank you. Bye-bye.